Folks, imagine turning a simple idea into a fully 3D printable model without juggling apps, fixing messy geometry, or learning complex software. Sounds unreal, right? Today we're looking at a tool that actually makes this possible. I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In this video we're exploring Lychee Gen, an AI-powered 3D generator that transforms a text prompt into a clean, watertight, slicer-ready model in minutes. No exporting, no cleanup, no complicated workflow. Everything happens in one ecosystem. We'll walk through it step by step, guys, and I'll show you a full screen share so you can see exactly how it works in practice. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's dive in and discover why Lychee Gen might change the way you approach 3D printing. Before we start, mates, let's analyze why this platform is getting so much attention in the 3D printing community. Most AI tools can generate something that looks like a 3D model, but once you open it in a slicer, the problems start. You get holes in the mesh, you get surfaces that aren't connected, you get floating geometry. You spend hours fixing issues that shouldn't have been there in the first place. Lychee Gen completely bypasses this stage. Every prototype it creates is watertight, meaning the mesh is sealed properly and entirely ready for printing. And guys, just to clarify, the mesh is basically the surface of your 3D object. If that surface isn't continuous, the printer can interpret it correctly. That's why watertight geometry is such a game changer, especially for beginners. Another thing that makes this platform special is how fast the process is. You can go from a prompt to a full figure in just a couple of minutes. Yes, sometimes creation takes a bit longer, and honestly that's expected considering the level of detail these models can include, but the reliability and consistency make up for it. And perhaps the biggest advantage is that everything happens inside the same ecosystem. You generate the figure, inspect it, and slice it directly in the Lychee environment. No exporting, no file conversion, no extra steps. For anyone who prints regularly, guys, this alone is enough to speed up your workflow dramatically. Alright folks, now that you know why this tool matters, let's walk through the full process together. Here we are inside the tool. On the main page, everything starts with the prompt field. This is where you describe the model you want to create. Let's try generating a chess knight figurine standing on a base suitable for 3D printing. Before generating, we can choose a style. Lychee Gen already offers several presets, like Halloween base or tabletop no base, and more styles are on the way. If we try to create without picking one, the platform shows a warning recommending that we choose a style for better predictability and quality. But for this demo, friends, let's continue without one. I'm clicking Generate Image, and now we wait. Sometimes it takes a bit, depending on how complex your idea is. But as you see, the image appears, giving us a first look at what the AI understood. Just keep in mind, this preview image is only a visual interpretation of your text. It isn't used as the actual base mesh for this 3D model. If we don't like it, we can adjust the prompt and try again. Or we can move directly to creating the actual 3D figure, which is what we'll do now. And here it is, folks. The complete model, fully watertight, clean topology, and no broken geometry. You can switch between the normal view and mesh-only mode to see how the structure looks underneath. The detail is genuinely impressive. The horse's crown, the muscles, the armor, all created from a single line of text. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now let's run a quick experiment. What happens if we type a very rough prompt, just a couple of keywords with no full description? I'll type dragon sit, wing, scale. That's only 4 words with no grammar. It's a typical example of how a user might write when they're in a rush or not sure how to structure an AI prompt. Notice that Lychee Gen doesn't throw an error and doesn't ask us to start over. Folks, there's a built-in prompt processor that automatically refines what we wrote. It adds missing details, cleans up the description, and adapts it so the model can be generated in the best possible way. The system understands context. Dragon plus sit becomes a sitting pose, while wing and scale turn into features that must clearly appear in the sculpt. As a result, we don't get a random mess. we get a clear printable model of a dragon in a sitting pose, with wings and visible scales. This makes Lychee Gen accessible even for complete beginners who don't yet write perfect AI prompts. The platform itself compensates for an imperfect or incomplete description. Now, mates, let's move to slicing. In the same ecosystem, we click to open the Lychee slicer. The figure transfers automatically. We don't have to export anything manually. Inside the slicer, we can see the size, scale, and position of our figurine. On the left, we have tools to rotate, mirror, cut, or scale the model exactly the way we need. Our prototype is already positioned correctly, but if it weren't, we could rotate it just by dragging. And if we want it bigger or smaller, scaling reacts instantly. Next, friends, let's choose a printer. For this figure, I'll choose a Nova 3D Bend 4 with a resin setup that works really well for this kind of figurine and printing style. Here you can tweak the resin parameters, check the device history, or load additional objects if you need to. Now we click Prepare. The slicer starts converting our 3D model into step-by-step instructions for the machine. Imagine slicing a loaf of bread. Each slice represents one layer that the printer will build during the process. You can scroll through these layers using the slider to preview how the figure will take shape from the bottom to the top. And friends, because the mesh is watertight, there are no gaps, artifacts, or weird empty pockets that would usually cause problems during printing. After slicing, Lychee generates a print file, the language your hardware understands. It tells the machine where to move, how to build each layer, and which settings to use. From here, guys, we just send the file to the printer and start the job. And the new auto support system is honestly a huge step up. The supports are clean and smart, and they save you a ton of time compared to manual workflows. You spend less time tweaking supports and more time actually printing. So guys, you create your concept in Lychee. The tool takes care of the technical, print-ready side, and you focus on the artistic side of your work. That's exactly where this tool should be moving, handling the technical printing steps, so creators can stay in their creative flow. Now mates, while we're here, let's talk about what makes this tool different from other AI 3D generators out there. A lot of AI systems can produce 3D objects, but most of them create meshes that are full of holes, overlapping geometry, or completely unusable artifacts. You often need Blender or Mesh Mixer to clean everything manually. Lychee Gen avoids all of that. The watertight topology alone sets it apart, because it means you can go straight to printing without suffering through cleanup. Another major advantage, folks, is speed. While heavy prompts can take a bit longer, the results are consistent. You don't get wildly different shapes each time. And since the tool is integrated with the slicer, everything happens in one place. On top of that, Lychee Gen uses a credit system with 4 different packs. So you just pick the option that fits how often you create, whether you're testing a few ideas a month or generating new models all the time. Plus, the Lychee team is already working on updates that will allow artists and sculptors to use Lychee Gen like a true assistant. The AI will be able to generate the technical base, letting creators focus entirely on the artistic side of the sculpt. Guys, that's a huge shift. It means you can experiment faster, prototype designs, and bring ideas to life without wrestling with tools that slow you down. Alright, my friends, let's wrap this up. Lychee Gen isn't just another AI toy, it's a practical tool that genuinely changes the workflow for 3D creators. Whether you're printing miniatures or simply exploring the world of modeling, this platform gives you the power to go from idea to print in minutes. The fact that everything stays inside a single ecosystem makes the whole process smoother, faster, and honestly more enjoyable. And with more updates already on the way, the potential here is only growing. So guys, what do you think? Are you ready to give Lychee Gen a try? If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.